In this video, I want to show you how to use Excel's help features and the natural language search. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced user, there are often times that you're going to need help when you're working with Excel. The help feature is available as a ribbon. There is a ribbon for help. Now you can, in the ribbon for help, we have this little help icon, which is the same as pressing the keyboard shortcut F1. And this will bring up our help option. And when it brings up the help option, it gives you some of the most commonly searched items. So this menu can change. Now by clicking into any of these, you'll get some more details, such as in this I clicked into rows and columns, and it has how to insert or delete cells, rows and columns. And when you click into this, you will get a little video tutorial. You can also type into the search box. For example, I've just typed into the search box save. And this then gives us a list of options, including videos on how to save things. So if you need to look something up, there's plenty of video tutorials that you can get straight from within Excel. For those of you that have been using Office 365, you may have noticed this little search box up here. And this is kind of like help on steroids. It's much more advanced than the help function. It is natural language search, so when we type it in save, first of all, it'll give us the actual function save. Then it gives us the different actions that are available. So you can quickly pick what it is that you're available. If you select this help option here, it'll give you the same as when you pressed F1. But what we also have then is this search that it uses Bing to search the internet and look up, smart lookup, what it can find on save. And I've just clicked on the smart lookup. And this will use Bing, the Microsoft search engine, to search the web for different things on save. Let's go back in here and let's put in VLOOKUP. And first of all, it'll find lookup and reference function. So if you want to quickly get to a particular function, you can type it in here. It's also brought in an action of a pivot table, which isn't what we were looking for. But let's say we were just looking for the VLOOKUP function. We can action it straight from here. So that's how you use Excel's help and Excel's natural language search. And you may need these as you move through Excel, and there's things that you come across that you're not exactly familiar with.